Have you ever felt that someone is upset, even when they smile? Nonverbal communication plays a huge role in our social interactions. It refers to all the messages we send without speaking. This includes facial expressions, body language, eye contact, and even personal space. Today, let's uncover how these silent cues shape our communication. Nonverbal communication involves various channels. Each channel transmits different meanings. For example, facial expressions convey emotions like joy or anger. A smile can mean happiness, while a frown often indicates sadness. Eye contact shows connection and confidence. On the other hand, avoiding gaze might signal discomfort or submission. Let's move on to gestures. Simple movements of the hands or head can express a lot. For instance, pointing directs attention, while nodding indicates agreement. Posture, too, tells a story. Leaning forward shows interest, while crossing arms can hint at defensiveness. Touch is another significant channel. A handshake can establish a formal introduction, while holding hands signifies intimacy and connection. Then, we have paralanguage. This is the vocal tone, pitch, and speed of speech. How we say something often matters more than the actual words. Finally, there's proxemics, which refers to personal space. Different cultures have varying norms about how close we stand to others. Understanding these personal boundaries helps improve our interactions. Research shows that facial expressions are universal across cultures. Paul Ekman's work highlights that 6 basic emotions are recognized everywhere: anger, disgust, fear, happiness, sadness, and surprise. Recently, contempt was added as another fundamental emotion. This universality has significant implications for social work. It means social workers can rely on facial expressions as indicators of clients' feelings, regardless of their backgrounds. However, cultural display rules influence how emotions are shown. In some cultures, sadness may be openly expressed, while in others, it might be hidden. Let's talk about nonverbal sensitivity, an essential skill for social workers. This involves decoding those nonverbal cues accurately. Research shows that strong nonverbal decoding leads to better rapport and understanding with clients. Yet, it's important to recognize that biases can affect this ability. People often interpret cues more accurately within their cultural groups. Anxiety and cognitive load can reduce accuracy in decoding nonverbal signals. So, how can social workers enhance their nonverbal skills? Mindful observation is crucial. By paying close attention to clients' facial and vocal cues, social workers can gain deeper insights. Cultural learning is another tool for improving sensitivity. Studying the nonverbal norms of the communities you serve enriches understanding. Lastly, feedback is essential. Comparing interpretations with clients' responses helps improve accuracy and builds trust. In summary, nonverbal communication significantly influences social interactions. Understanding facial expressions, gestures, and personal space equips us with tools to effectively connect with others. Social workers, in particular, can benefit from mastering these skills. Are you ready to enhance your communication skills? Start observing nonverbal signals in your daily interactions. Experience the difference it makes in understanding others.